Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to highlight highest value in Google Sheets. First, select the column where you want to highlight your highest value. Now go to Format and select Conditional Formatting. Here in the Format cells if, select Custom Formula is. Here in the value or formula type equals, then the first cell, so in my case it is A1, then equals again, max, and brackets, and between the brackets type in the first cell and the last cell. So the first is A1 and A10. Now in front of A type the dollar symbol, in front of 1 type the dollar symbol as well, and here the same. Now you should see that it is highlighting the highest value. You can press done. It is simple as that. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.